this video, what I have here for y'all today is the Cristal Products GX-3 UV protective. This is the plastic restorer, and you can see the kind of the before and after here. And this has aloe vera in it. It conditions, protects for exterior and interior. If you're like me and you got an older model car like this is a 2009, and you can see the faded of the door handle and the fading of all this trim right here, especially up in here where the windshield wiper is. And what you're going to do, I got some of this Cristal products here, and I kind of want to show y'all how well this stuff works. You know, it works on leather, vinyl, plastics. It uses the latest technology, blah, blah, blah. Shake bottle, hold can about 6 to 8 inches. We're going to spray the surface down, and easy spray and walk away. Look at that. You don't have to smear it in, but I have a microfiber cloth here, and you don't want to apply a lot. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show y'all. Actually, I'll do it here on this mirror and this door handle. So I'm not going to spray it on it. What I'm going to do is spray it on this cloth right here, and maybe spray a little bit on there. Look at that. And then this stuff works wonders. I had used this stuff before, and it just kind of like really conditions everything. Especially look at things like this. Like, see this door handle? This trim is where it works really well. And then let's try it up here on the windshield wiper thing. You can see how where I spray it and where it's not sprayed. So this is where it's sprayed, and then look where the actual cutoff on where it's not sprayed there. I've been really impressed with this stuff. I've been using it off and on for about a year now. And then I figured I'd do a quick video on it. There it is. Look at the difference between the windshield wiper thing is where I see it the most. Look at actually where it cuts off and where it starts again. Get this stick out of here. And then if you want to do your inside, let's do the door real quick. You look at an area like that. You could use it on the interior like this. This is the glue where that padding came off. This stuff works great. Highly recommend this stuff. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do the entire car inside and out with the Cristal's products. GX3 plastic restorer. Let's just use it on everything. See y'all in the next video.